Hi, it's Jen. How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some clay using materials that you can find at home. It's very inexpensive to do. It's fun, it's satisfying, so let's get started. So we're going to need a glass of water and a glass of salt, and we're just going to mix that together. Add a little bit of oil. If it's very dry, you can add a little bit later. And now we're going to add the flour very little by little, like 1 cup, half cup, and we're going to be mixing it until you see that the consistency is of clay. Don't put the 3 glasses at first, please, because then maybe it's going to start breaking, and then you have to add water, and then you have to add more salt, and it's not going to turn out right. So better to do it little by little and start mixing and mixing and mixing. I think this is so fun, actually. I love getting my hands filthy, and I made this with the children in my school, and they had such a great time doing this. So yeah, you almost got it. You just have to mash it and mash it until you got like a dough-like thing. It's like making bread actually, but because you add the salt and you add the oil, it's going to last longer and it's not going to get dry. So this one lasts me like a month. So that's a long time without getting dry or hard. And you can always add a little bit of oil. Well, yeah, now I'm talking a lot. Now you have to add paint. I lost the clip where I added the paint, but well, I'm doing it again over the paint that I already did it. And you can also add food coloring. I think food coloring is better for children because that way, even if they eat it, it's totally edible. Well, it's not my advice to eat it because it's raw, but nothing is going to happen. It's non-toxic. So I think that food coloring is best, but I only had paint and it is fine with paint. You can do it with that. I'm mixing and mixing and mix it. And as you can see, my one is a little bit sticky and dry, and this is why I told you that you can add a little bit more of oil, and it's going to look like this. And now for the rest of the video, it's just me playing around with the clay. I'm just leaving it because I kind of enjoy it. I'm sorry because it's moving a lot because the bucket wasn't secured. For the next video, I'm going to put something so it stays in place. And yeah, we got the clay done. I hope that you try this out, and if you do it so, please tell me in the comments. This is Jenny. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice week, a nice day, and enjoy yourself and be happy. Bye-bye.